Before the summer months heat up and you find some much needed time off, let's spring into action with our intentions and strategies to make 2022 a great year in our personal and professional lives. As small business owners, we often have so much going on with our work-life balance that we tend to neglect finding the time, energy, and focus to actually grow our businesses. On top of that, the last 2 years have tested us personally and professionally like never before, making growth sometimes seem unrealistic. At SBS Accounting and Advisors, we want to be your trusted advisors for finding you powerful solutions to set and meet your goals, experience long-term growth, and find the kind of balance that makes you happy and healthy. Join me today as we discuss our 4 spring cleaning tips for personal and professional growth. Hi there, I'm Jonathan Bill with SBS Accounting and Advisors. Before we get into the content today, I want to take the opportunity to welcome everyone to the channel. Thank you for being here. I hope this video helps you as you strive to grow your business. If you haven't already subscribed, I would ask that you do. It really helps us grow the channel and reach new people. And while you're at it, be sure to hit that notification bell too so that you get notified of all of our new videos as we post them. As we discuss the topic today, leave a comment with what you think is the best spring cleaning tip for your own personal and professional growth. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section too. And like the video if you'd like to see more content like this from us in the future. Now let's get into the video. Here are our 4 spring cleaning tips for personal and professional growth. Number 1, take self-care seriously. When running in a million different directions as business owners, we tend to forget about the importance of taking care of ourselves. When we don't take self-care seriously and aren't proactive about it, we tend to form unhealthy patterns and get out of the mindset needed to perform at our best to accomplish the growth we desire. Running and transforming our businesses takes a great deal of mental and physical strength. When it comes to your self-care, find what works best for you. It may be your time alone with God, stretching every morning, working out, resetting before each day, carving out time with loved ones, or even just taking a break. Whatever you choose, be consistent and intentional about it so that you can take care of yourself, manage stress, recharge, and get to a better place. Number 2, be a transformative advisor for your clients. At SBS, our mission is to empower our clients so that they experience transformation in their lives and businesses. We know how critical it is to get your books in order and automate your accounting processes, but we also know that this by itself is not enough. As an advisor, we understand that taking care of your back office needs is essential, but so is proactively planning for your future and being the kind of advisor who you can trust every step of the way. We want you to be a transformative advisor for your customers too. While we would love to help you put an action plan to this process, we also have a few suggestions that you can work on right away to help. Number 1, customer relationships. The relationships you have with your customers will determine how much they trust, respect, and value you and your business. Try to connect with each one of them by getting to know them and forming a genuine connection. Providing them this level of personalized attention and showing them how much you care about them will go a long way toward not only reaching business growth for both parties, but also establishing your integrity and a rapport that is invaluable. Number 2, go the extra mile. Constantly strive for delivering more. It's okay to celebrate wins and accomplishments, but don't stop there. Keep moving forward and find even more solutions to their everyday wants and needs. Next, be their coach. While you want to be a transformative advisor to your clients, you can help them be one for their customers too by being their coach or mentor. As you connect and develop a rapport, they will value your advice. Be willing to guide them through difficult situations and important decisions with their customers. That is truly a powerful, full circle relationship. Number 3, tap into our advisory services. At SBS, we have an advisory services division that is designed to help you understand your numbers and data and leverage these tools to meet your goals and strategize for long-term growth. We have tools and strategies we implement to take you to the next level, including key performance indicators or KPIs and cash flow management. We'll have links in the description so that you can check out these key resources, and please don't hesitate to contact us so that we can help you lay out a plan to specifically help you transform your business. Number 4, take control of your finances. Knowing where your business stands financially at all times is an absolute must. By making sure your books are up to date on a more frequent basis, we can ensure that you know what your true balance is and if all outstanding deposits and checks are entered into your books. You'll also know your credit card balances and month-to-date profitability. When our SBS team has a picture of your full financial situation, we can then work to consistently meet your goals and address your concerns. In doing so, we will come up with solutions that help you take control of your finances and grow your business. While this list doesn't represent all of our spring cleaning visions for a memorable 2022 for you and your business, we feel it's a good start. So if you're ready to start your action plan or have any questions, please reach out to us by phone or by email. And if you've made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching. And please be sure to check out our YouTube channel and website for other helpful resources. Again, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. And leave a comment with what you think is the best spring cleaning tip for your own personal and professional growth.